something.
So what we done?
We broke the winch line on a really awkward pull. The whole weight of the truck hanging on it.
But luckily you carry a slicing tool.
Yep. And we got the punch.
I forgot a roll of tape to do it.
And we got the punch as well.
How you doing, Tommy? Sweating yet?
Yeah, we've done 2 punches and I'm already buggered. I think they're going to do that a better way than we did it as well.
What? So, what's the rules? You can only get so many punches a lap?
I think you can get as many as you want.
Oh, right, okay. Can't go backwards.
If you get any, you get 10. Got it.
Do you want 2 fat boys standing on it?
No, if I'm pressing the button, it's need it some control.
That went. Well done, mate. Do you want us to work on anything, mate?
Pull that.
Just cut it off.
Cut that there and then feed it out. Could have done with a roll of tape. I haven't got one.
I can go back, but I'll be half an hour.
That these flies.
Yeah. Do you want the knife to do the last bit, mate? The other thing I can think of, we've got a roll of cable ties now. That's it. That's better.
Not going to go very far. We'll just get like a rope.
It would have been funny watching him.
Just hang it upside down in midair. Just a bit of an expensive one.
Before you can't do it.
What's that for?
Stop the game.
Thing with the price.
Bit. So he's crossing through the centre of the rope, trying to make sure he's got the right number of splines at either side. And you've got to pass back through about 2 or 3 times, haven't you, Richard? Wave in your face, so you probably smash it. I've got one Facebook picture of that.
Probably gone overkill on how much I'm pulling through.
This is not holding you to
17 minutes yet so far since I started recording, so it's not ridiculous.
Both done right.
I think your fed off a bit broken.
Pardon?
Oh, you mean the leftovers? enough really. Leave it inside. Got to make all the loops loose now so we can get down the middle. Well, at least it makes it space a little bit easier when it's been used. Brand new rope, this is easy. Stretch rope, less so easy. Well, we've done it right. Feeding now. Feed the sausage. You're doing this in the showground, isn't it? It's nice doing this in the showground with air conditioning. Oh, you've done it. Smashing job.
Okay.
Got it. Like a Tommy flight.
Tom!
Tommy! On your way.
Up, put them back in the same class and make sure you do not drop them on the battery. Get the strap, get them anchors on your side of the truck. Yes. That is good. Yeah, that's really fucking wet there. I'm going in from the passenger side. I've gone knee deep on that.
You go first.
Getting out of the way. Do you want to pass one up to me, Tom?